Hello. Now, in order to see how our Tinydoc works, we need to create nodes because nodes are the essential building blocks of Tinydoc workflows. In order to create workflow, we need to create nodes first. So each node performs a specific functions in your document processing pipeline. So in order to create a node, you go to the configure node option. You can see there are 5 nodes that we support for now. Each node performs a specific function. So in your document pipeline, from uploading files to extracting data, validating results, and exporting outputs. By connecting nodes together in our visual workflow builder, you can create powerful automation pipeline without writing any code, unless you're writing it in logic node. Each node is independently configurable and reusable across multiple workflows. So let's start with creating an extractor node. My extractor AI. So this is an extractor node. It is the powerhouse of Tinydoc's document processing capabilities. It extracts structured data from documents using 2 different methods. We have AI-powered method and one is hybrid method. In AI-powered method, it uses AI-powered intelligent extraction that understands document context, and the other one, hybrid one, uses coordinates along with AI to extract pixel perfect data from document. You can define custom schemas to extract exactly the field you need from invoices, receipts, contracts, medical records, or any other document types. So let's start with AI extractor. That's we have named this extractor as my extractor dash AI. So what do we have here? In AI extractor, it uses advanced machine learning models to understand document context and extract data intelligently. It understands document structure and context, works with varying document layouts, it has JSON's schema-based configuration, and it is best for dynamic document layouts. The, Now, the first thing that we have here is to upload a document. Okay, so let's upload a document here. So, like I select this document. Once the document is uploaded, you can see it on the left side. You can zoom in or you can download it. If it has multiple pages, then you can navigate through this arrows here. The first thing that we have here is the vision model. The extractor node allows you to choose from different vision models to balance between cost, speed, and accuracy. Your selection applies to the entire AI extractor configuration. Okay, so what we have here, we have 3 different types of models: core, prime, and ultra. Core is best for simple documents with clear layouts. It offers the lowest cost for extraction while maintaining good accuracy for straightforward use cases. Then we have Prime. It has balanced performance for most document types, provides excellent accuracy with moderate cost, suitable for invoices, receipts, and standard forms. But the Ultra one, which has highest accuracy, it has the maximum precision of complex documents, ideal for medical records, legal contracts, or documents with complex layouts and dense information. So if you click on any model, we will have the list of models that varying upon their use case. So let's start with the core model itself. Then we have this schema where we actually create schema. Schema tells you how your output is going to look like. Okay, so and you don't have to manually build it. We have generate schema option that generates it. So let's generate a schema for shipment and suborder. Okay, so let's do it. Generate schema. On the left, you have the document. By looking at the document, you can write your prompt. So generate me a schema for following 2 fields. You can say one for suborder and the other one for shipment. Okay, let's generate the schema and let's see how our schema is populated. Now you can see we have suborder and shipment. Okay, so these uh, the suborder is a string. Okay, it's alphanumeric, but shipment is a number. So for more accuracy, we can give it as a number. Okay, now let's explore other types. I'll add a new row. Now you can see there is a table. Suppose I want this item number and description. Description here in this context means medicine name. So let's do that. So if I write item number here, and but this item number is not a single string or single number. It is multiple items. So what I'll do is I'll select it as an array. Okay, let me do this. Then but I can give a prompt under in the table in the table under the column name item number. Okay, and it is numeric. I can see that. Then the next is suppose the medicine name. I'll add the medicine underscore name here. Medicine name is a string. Now in the table, same under the column name description. Once I'm done with that, I'll add some advanced option like invoice here. Okay, I don't have any rules. You can add some rules if you want. And once that is done, we can create an extractor. This will create an extractor. And once the extractor is done, you can run it. So let's see how it gives us any output. So, okay, now we have the output. Now you can see four fields: shipment, suborder, item number, which is an array, and medicine name. Okay, our bad. We put medicine name as string, but we want it to be an array. So no problem, we can change it to array here and let's update the extractor and run the extraction again. Now we have our extractor here. Now we have uploaded a different layout. So let's build the schema for it. So I have changed the shipment as the top right corner starts with CTN. It's a string and beside the label shipment pack, you can see. For suborder, I have changed the prompt for it to as at the top right numeric beside the label shipment ID. For item number, you can see it is now product here. So in the table under the column name product, it is an array. For medicine name, it is in the table under the column name description. This new layout with the new schema that we have created, and let's see how it gives us the extraction result. Great. Now we have the extraction result here. For shipment, we get the shipment from CTN, suborder, item number, and medicine name. For now, here you can see there is only one item, so we got one item in the array. Great. Now we have successfully configured our AI extractor. Now let's add this AI extractor in our workflow. So how do we do that? We can go to flow section and click on create a new flow option. By clicking on that button, you can see we have multiple different types of nodes, but we don't have these nodes configured. We only have extractor node configured. But in order to create workflow, we need upload and download node. Upload and download node doesn't require a specific configuration. So what do we do here? So if we click on this PDF, we have this upload node, then we have this download node here. Download node tells us what kind of output we need. Okay, so if we are uploading a PDF here and extracting data out of it, what is the output that we need? In what type we need? Like, do we need in text document or in Excel format? So if I select Excel here, okay, then I'll choose extractor. Now you see we have one extractor, my extractor dash AI configured here. So I'll select it. If you have multiple, then it will have a list of extractors that you can choose among. So let's connect it by dragging the connector to the node that we want to connect with. Okay, now we have our first workflow created. Now let's save it. AI extractor flow and deploy. Once we have this deployed, you can hover over it and you can see four different options. One is execute to execute our workflow. Then we have this evaluate to evaluate our workflow. We will see down the line what is evaluation of workflow. Then edit option. If you click over it, you can go to the canvas and edit whatever you want in the workflow that you have created. Then we have this delete option. It will obviously delete your workflow. So let's execute it. Now we are on the execution page where we will actually execute our flow. So what it says, it asks us to select files. Okay, so let's select files. Okay, I select 5 files now and let's upload it. As soon as your files gets uploaded, the processing will automatically be get started. Now it will be in background creating and extracting your data. You don't have to stay here. If you want to go, you can go back. On the executions page, you can always see your process running. Okay, if you click here, you go here and you start where you left off. In the background, it will be processing your data. So let's wait it to complete. Okay, now the file processing is done and our file is ready to be downloaded. So let's download it and let's see how it gave us the output. If I click, okay, you can now see we have our files and its output here. Now you can see everything is perfect. Now we are done with our AI extractor. Now let's see how better is our hybrid extractor.